Hi, this is Joe Blasco, and I'd like to introduce you to a product of mine that we call Ultamatte. What is Ultamatte? Well, Ultamatte is an extremely highly pigmented cream. All right, it's a cream, but there's so much pigment in it that when you put it on, it stays. It does not drift. It does not melt away. And why is this important? It's because you can use it as an eyeliner. All right, as an eyeliner, and you apply it, and then you can take your finger and run your finger through it, or a brush, run a brush through it, and soften it beautifully. And because it has such a high degree of pigmentation, it's not going to go anywhere. It is going to stay there. All right, so there are several colors, and you can check out the colors right here on the Camera Ready Cosmetics website, and it's called Ultamatte. We used to call it UEM, Ultamatte Eye Magic, because it was used for the eyes, and it was originally invented for use on stars who worked soap operas, because when they would cry, their eyeliner would run down their cheeks. So I made this with such a high percentage of pigment that it wouldn't melt. It's completely waterproof, so you can do eyeliner with it, or you can actually paint on little tiny eyebrow designs, you know, and it looks like real hair if you use a very thin brush. We have a brush called a UEM brush, and but practically any kind of really thin brush. Although I love my UEM brush because it's razor thin, and you can paint the little individual hairs on, or you can get your eyeliner really close to the under eye area, and it will look extremely natural. All right, so that's Ultamatte, and Ultamatte Eye Magic was its original name, and look for it right here at the Camera Ready Cosmetics website.